Good morning, students. In the previous class, we had completed question number 13 and 14. And I found some of the doubts in the minds of few students that what is a decade? Decade equals to 10 years. Decade equals to 10 year. Okay? 500 gram is dash of 1 kg. 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. Clear? Okay, 25 centimeter is dash of a meter. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. You need to convert this. Okay. Similarly, 10 paise is dash of 1 rupee. 1 rupee equals to how many paise? 100 paise. Clear? After conversion of these, you have to solve this question. Clear? Now, we will be moving to question number 15. See, for question number 15 onwards, you will be doing word problems. Word problems means these are the problems we solve in our daily life. Clear? See, on Diwali festival, Anjali's mother bought 240 candles. She found that 1 by 12 of the candles were defective and she did not use them. How many candles did she use? Okay, so to solve this question number 15. Okay, solution. Number of candles bought. How many candles bought? 240. Clear? Now, fraction of defective candles. So what is the fraction of defective candles? 1 by 12. Therefore, number of defective candles. We need to find how many candles were defective. For this, we will be finding 1 by 12 of 240. So we will be writing 240 into 1 by 12. Clear? Okay. Now, solve it. 240 into 1 by 12. You can write it like this. You know 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. This 0 will come here. So 20 into 1 is 20. So how many candles were defective? 20 candles. Clear? Therefore, number of candles Anjali's mother used equals to how many candles were there? 240. How many candles were there? 240. How many candles were defective? 20. Subtract it. 240 minus 20 is 220 candles she used. Clear? Okay. So here this question is clear. Now again look at the questions. Other questions. Here question number 16. Look at question number 16. A class has 45 students. 2 by 3 of the class went on a picnic. How many students went on the picnic? So what you will write? Total strength of class equals to 45. 2 by 3. So you have to find out 2 by 3 of the class went on picnic. So you can find out fraction of students went on picnic also 2 by 3. Therefore number of students went on picnic 45 into 2 by 3 and solve it. Okay. Now next question number 17. Question number 16 you can do as practice. Try doing this question by yourself. Look at question number 17. Vani bought 50 toffees. She distributed 3 by 5 the toffees among the children. How many toffees did she distribute? Similar question like 16. So question number 17 also you can do. Question number 18. A class has 32 students. 3 by 4 of the students are boys. How many are girls? You just find out 3 by 4 of 32 and then subtract it. You can find number of girls. So question number 18 is similar to question number 17. So try doing question number 16, 17 and 18 by yourself. So I'm giving you question number 16, 17 and 18 to do by yourself. Okay, try doing these questions by yourself. Next we are moving to question number 19. What is given in question number 19? Let's read it. Okay. The cost of 1 meter cloth is rupees 140. Reshma bought 1 by 4 meter cloth. What did she pay for it? Okay, it means what you need to do, you need to find the cost of 1 by 4 meter cloth. Okay, it's very simple. Okay. First of all, what you need to do, you need to find you need to write cost of 1 meter cloth. Cost of 1 meter cloth equals to rupees 140. Clear? Okay. Now fraction of cloth, or you can say length of cloth bought. Okay, both are same, equals to 1 by 4 meter. Clear? 1 by 4 meter you can convert here. Okay, 4 ones are 4 plus 1 5 by 4 meter. Clear? Therefore cost of 5 by 4 meter cloth. Clear? So 5 by 4 into 140 you can do. Okay, so what is the step? We can divide it. Okay, let's divide 140 by 2. 2 sevens are 14, 2 zeros 0, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 into 35. Now we have got 5 into 35. Let's multiply. 5 5s are 25, 2 here, 5 3 is 15 plus 2 17. So what is the cost of 5 by 4 meter cloth? Rupees 175. You can write the answer sentence like this. Therefore cost of 1 by 4 meter cloth is rupees 175. Clear? Like this you have to solve this question. See, now look at question number 20. If 1 kg potatoes cost rupees 16, if the cost of 1 kg potato is rupees 16, find the cost of 3 by 4 kg potatoes. What you can do? You just multiply 16 into 3 by 4, you will get the answer. Okay, So till then, solve these questions today. I'm giving you question number 20 as homework. So you have got 4 questions to do by yourself today. Clear? If you find any doubt in any of the question, you can message me. I will help you to make it understand. Okay? Till then, thank you. Bye bye.